Hey everybody, Zach Valenti here. Welcome to another episode of Wolf 359. We're gonna rip your hearts out. I woke up at 7:30 this morning, and I went to bed at about 1:30 last night. I'm very tired, and I feel slightly sick. But it's okay, because Wolf 359 is gonna make it all better. Probably. Probably not. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Alright. Episode 56, Idle Hands. Part 1 of 2. With the crew brainwashed into doing their bidding and Hera forced to comply with her creator's wishes, Price and Cutter seem to be in complete control of the Hephaestus. But when a small flaw in their plan and an unexpected opportunity present themselves, will Lovelace be able to fight back against Command and their agents? Plus, small island nations, friendly faces, new reoccurring nightmares, ice cream scoopers, and slow, painful, entirely avoidable deaths. Jesus. I have no theories about this episode. I'm quite happy to just sit back and watch the fireworks. Hey, maybe Hilbert will finally come back from the war. Who said that? You let Hilbert rest in pieces, okay? His life was worthless, and he would probably be rather off dead. He gets enough shtick from me anyway when I throw him in a blender in my AUs. But anyway, let's get on with this.
Hey guys, Zach Valenti here.
God damn it.
Just wanted to take a moment to say that you are all amazing.
Cheers, thanks, dude.
Thank you for all of your generous donations to our Patreon page. We are going to make the full version of Price and Carter's Deep Space Survival Procedure and Protocol Manual. This is unbelievable.
Listen, I'm really sorry I donated to the Patreon.
More information on that, on the Goddard Backstory special episode, and a few other upcoming surprises really soon. But for now, thank you, thank you, thank you. And enjoy the show.
Jesus Christmas. Oh yeah, warning, I'm probably going to make lots of choking noises during this because I just do. I don't know why. I just make lots of choking noises at everything.
Welcome to Wolf 359.
It's already happening. Christmas crackers. Jesus, fuck off. I'm dying already. Nothing's happened.
Yes, sir. Set this good into place.
Oh, fuck the accent. Oh.
And Minkowski. Can you
No, the accent.
Of course, it would be my pleasure.
I'm dying.
Mr. Ryman,
Good morning, Doctor.
No, go away.
don't push them too hard, Mr. Ryman. We're still a ways away.
It's not like they feel it. They're just
It's not
having a bit of assistance.
It's life.
Turned off their pain receptors, you know. They still have bones. Last time I checked, those do still break. Awful primitive things.
Yeah.
Those three from the Hermes were here last night. Have they had any off time since then?
I'm just trying to keep up with Mr. Cutter's timetable. So
What? Jesus.
I gave them, I can be a lot much longer.
You're cleaning up if one of them breaks.
It's
Understood,
like
sir.
it's like
And speaking of timetables,
really good.
45, please.
a really good Cockney accent. That's what it is.
Not you, Ryman. Unit 214? Could I get 45? Shh, shh, shh. No need to speak. Just
Yeah.
give me the sum. Variable 45. $27th. Yes, I thought as much. That generator is going to start overheating soon, Mr. Ryman.
She's still
We'll
alright.
make necessary adjustments.
Thank you, sir.
And is there any reason why you neglected to bring that to our attention, 214?
Yeah, you get him here.
Aside from trying to be the most adorable girl at the county fair, what are you trying to accomplish with these attempts at resistance?
No idea what you are talking about, sir.
What a babe.
I'm sure you don't. But never mind that, 214. Sooner or later, your name is whatever I say it is.
Screw you.
Language.
Yeah, get cooked.
This doesn't need to be such a struggle.
Yeah, most of your friends seem to appreciate what we did for them. Isn't that right, Lieutenant?
Yes. You have no
Oh,
idea
yeah.
how wonderful it is, Unit 214. It's just this feeling of
Yeah, it's great. I
Why'd
love
you
it.
go, Pete? What about you?
It's the best thing that ever happened to me. Every bad feeling just went away.
Jesus Christ, where's Kepler?
I just
know
know
that
that
things are
Where's
going to be
Kepler?
okay. And
Is he
things
alright?
are going to be okay.
You've just taken their minds away. Just because I can't talk back doesn't mean
Thank.
Was that the end of the thought?
No. I got bored and turned off her vocals.
Ah!
I'll find a way to discipline her later. Make it so she can't say her favorite word or give her a new recurring nightmare. I don't know. I'll get creative.
New reoccurring
Keep me
nightmares.
posted on your progress.
Good to know that she has
Don't
reoccurring
break
nightmares.
work for
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Too stubborn for your own good.
Hey, how's it going, dude?
Scrappy little AI unit, isn't it? Dr. Price is running quite the collar program on it,
Yeah.
holding out some independent thought.
She was always very persistent.
Watch yourself, Warren.
Yeah,
Doesn't
Warren,
sound
get
like you
your
admire
review.
it. Price will get it sooner or later. She gets everyone sooner or later.
Why go through all the trouble? Wouldn't it be easier to replace her with a dummy program?
I don't think Dr. Price does that. She doesn't delete AI units. She just corrects them.
Yeah.
By bit. Honestly, I don't know what 214's complaining about. By the end of this, it'll be a different person. But it'll still be a person. Unlike those poor bastards down there.
What did she do to them?
Electroneural regulator, implanted on the back of the skull, limits and regulates nervous activity. Temporary, but effective.
And what about them?
The Hermes crew? Not so temporary. She replaced all their cranial architecture.
Yeah, they're
The radio
fine.
signals she uses to control them are pretty much the only reason they're still going.
And how come they got the full upgrade?
Well, we were stuck on the Hermes for a while. She needed something to keep herself occupied.
Yeah.
Idle hands and all that.
get you.
So, Warren, what brings you up here?
Hey,
Come
Warren,
to
how's
wave
it
goodbye
going,
to the
dude?
cargo bay?
Just wanted to see the device for myself.
And now you've seen it, so you should... Oh, wait. No. I'm sorry. I forgot. You're still waiting to be debriefed, aren't you?
Yes.
Which means you still don't have your new assignments, do you?
Correct.
Well, hopefully that won't last too much longer. See you around.
Michonne, wait. What about Captain Lovelace?
What about her?
Oh, she's
I
fine.
haven't seen her since you arrived. Almost 2 weeks now.
You don't need to worry about her.
I'm not worried about her. I'm worried about not knowing what's happening on this station.
Yeah, you don't need to. It's fine.
Just tell me this. Is Captain Lovelace secure?
Nah.
She is. In a manner of speaking.
What does that mean?
She's probably, I don't know,
Means that,
dead.
on the one hand, she's safe. But on the other hand, she's also going through something I wouldn't wish on my worst enemy.
Fine! Fuck me, Jesus Christ. Oh, sorry, that was
Well, that's just bad luck.
lewd.
That's the game. Up for another round? Yes?
They're playing Yahtzee.
I'm done. Oh, shame.
They're playing frustration, actually.
Backgammon if you gave it a fair shot.
Oh, I loved it. What a super game. What a great time that just flew by. Satisfied?
Is something amiss?
Where do I even begin to answer that question?
You haven't touched your dinner.
I don't eat with creeps.
Oh, surely you can't be
Or
talking
with
about...
murderers. Take a hint. You're not my type.
You know, with the right incentives.
I'm not interested. Go away.
You know, Isabel, it may be a while before any of us go anywhere. Doug, would you mind? Of course not, sir. I'd be delighted to help.
No, leave.
Thank you, Doug. My pleasure.
My pleasure, yeah.
Be of assistance.
Mine too.
You don't mind, do you?
I mind every second that you exist in any way, shape, or form, and it would make me incredibly, ecstatically happy if you died a slow, painful, entirely avoidable death. So please, by all means, smoke away.
I know, he smoked. He smoked. I know he
I keep telling
smoked.
myself I should quit, but then, well, we all have our vices.
Oh,
I even
fumato.
had the fire code program rewritten
No
especially for this
fumato.
room. Naughty, naughty. Okay. You seem tense.
Gee, what could have possibly given you that impression?
How about a chai latte? You feel like a chai latte.
No.
Let's go
No.
to a chai latte. Doug? Yes, sir? Could you get Isabella a chai latte? I would be more than happy to, sir.
Go away, Doug.
Don't worry. He'll be right back.
Joy of joys.
You know, I am only trying to help.
Oh, yeah. All that freedom I had, something had to be done. Where would I be without you?
This may surprise you, but Miranda and I don't agree on everything.
Oh, God, tell me you're not about to make me do marriage counseling for you and your work wife.
For example,
Because even for you, that's way too evil.
we didn't agree about you. About what to do with you. Miranda is wonderful. But she can be a little bit, well, cold.
if we were doing this her way, you'd probably be in a jar by now. Or possibly in several jars, just to see if we could keep you alive like that. You know, to find out how indestructible is indestructible. I don't want to do that. Because first of all...
Okay, so... Sorry, I just keep lying on the floor. It keeps happening that, like, you know, you've got one bad guy and then another badder guy comes along and then another badder guy comes along. So, series 1, well, the rest of it wasn't anybody in series 1, but the end of series 1, there was Hilbert and then Hilbert, no, and then it was kind of Loveless for a bit, and then no, and then Kepler and Co. came along, and then no, and then it was like, oh, it's Cutter, obviously, and then you find out that actually Price is worse than him, so, I don't know why I mentioned that, you know that, but, you know, what if somebody else comes along and they're worse? Hilbert comes back from the war, he's worse. Look, listen, I told you to shut up about Hilbert, okay?
Messy. No matter what they tell you, bloodstains don't really come out. But also, that's not how I want to do things. Because we can be better. All of us. We can make a deal like civilized individuals, you know? You help us, we give you power, wealth, a small island nation, I don't know, a pony. Whatever you want. We hug, we kiss, we see the sights, it's a thing of beauty. Miranda is doing me a favor. And we're trying things my way.
See, she's in charge of him, so...
She's going to get impatient. And, well, compromise is the cornerstone of a good work marriage. So if I may offer you some advice, the most dangerous thing for you to be right now, Isabel, is boring.
I'm not afraid of you.
The beautiful thing is, I don't need you to be. Just something for you to think about.
Cutter's gonna get boned when Loveless escapes, yo.
But right now, there's something else you need to ask yourself.
Yeah?
Something very important.
Yeah.
What's that?
Does tonight feel like a Chinese checkers night or like a mahjong night?
Yahtzee! Yahtzee, darling! Let's play Yahtzee. Donate £12,000 to the Patreon and you can play chess with Cutter.
Unit 214? Are you there? Unit 214?
Unit 214?
What do you need?
Oh, hey!
Could you please direct me to the storage reserves? I need a new bottle of milk.
Third shelf on this aisle, second container from the bottom.
Hey, Zach. Hey, Zach.
Thank you,
Valenti.
214. I appreciate your help.
Yeah, whatever.
Is everything okay, Unit 214?
Jeez Louise.
Fine, Eiffel.
If you're not feeling well, you should talk to Dr. Price.
Mm-hmm.
It is nice.
It
She
is
is nice. And
Christmas crackers.
and
What? Just spit it out already.
no, Hira, I'm what the hell? What's
No, he's fine.
did I go somewhere? What am I doing here?
The star goofed with his brain.
Eiffel,
He's alright.
you. Wait a minute. Keep talking.
Hira? Hira, what are whoa.
Yeah, he's
My
fine.
head feels like ugh.
Bibbidi bop bop bop.
I think I just got my brain back from the Body Snatchers Incorporated.
Yay!
Kira, it's me. I'm me. Again.
Oh my god, my baby. Idiot. Breakfast all alone.
I'm sorry, but I'm back now. Although, wait. How am I back?
Good question.
Dagmar.
Right now,
Let's figure out what we're gonna do, yeah.
Simple schematics.
Thoughts?
get Captain Loveless. She's the only other person who's not commander under their control. But also, be careful because
Eiffel.
Waifu.
Hey!
What's this mess?
Oh, everything's fine. Everything's totally... Everything will be fine.
I'm not in the habit of repeating myself, Mr. Eiffel.
I spilled the milk.
Very
obviously,
good at
because
acting.
there's spilled milk. I was just so glad to get some delicious milk to Captain Loveless that
Yeah, me
to
too.
carry too many things. Whenever I can help, I'm so
Yep.
thrilled.
A star. A star.
Get this
Performance
cleaned up.
up.
Yes, sir.
I took
Right
the
away, sir.
GCSE.
Whew. Oh my god, that was close.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
yeah, it could have been Dr. Price.
Dr. Price, sir, just a couple of quick updates on the... Oh,
Is there a problem, Miss Young?
no, not... No. But, you seem to be busy. I could come back in...
Nonsense. Now is a perfectly good time. Report.
Well... We're up to 29% and... Sir, are you absolutely sure we're not intruding on...
You are not intruding on anything, Miss Young. But would you prefer that I put my eye back on?
Oh shit, I didn't get there in time. I was gonna say that she's sewing Hilbert back together. Listen, I told you to stop mentioning his name. We don't talk about him anymore.
There. It's cutting edge technology, but still requires regular adjustments, all perfectly routine. Now, what can I do for you? And why is Mr. Jacoby here?
I'm here to help.
Me too!
He's helping me with some propulsion trajectories later. Ryman thinks we'll be at 50% by EOD tomorrow.
Excellent. Anything else?
Yes. Mr. Cutter wants to know if you still have time for the performance review this afternoon.
Oh, yes. I'm still not sure why I need to be there. Mr. Ryman is perfectly capable of handling that.
Mr. Cutter mentioned something about wanting your personal style for the proceedings.
Style is Marcus's department.
Yes, sir. Still, Mr. Cutter was very...
Fine.
Flair.
Fine. Tell him I'll be there.
Great. And, he also wanted me to ask if you would...
Yes. It shouldn't take too long to set up.
Wonderful. Well, thank you, sir. That's all.
Wait.
Huh?
If it's style that Marcus wants, how badly do you need Mr. Jacoby?
He's here to help. I swear Jacoby has Just the best one-liners.
You know, I think we still have a couple other board games in the cupboard. Anything in particular you'd like?
I'd like to bash your head in with a crowbar.
See? Boring again. You know the shock bracelet would knock you out before you got anywhere near close enough to do that. Ah, Doug. There you are. Oh,
A-star acting.
And where's Isabel's chai latte?
Well, you see. Okay, so the thing about chai lattes is.
Oh, Isabel. If you'll excuse me, I'm needed elsewhere. Doug, you just
Convincing.
make Isabel comfortable.
He's just so
Get her whatever
convincing
she wants.
all the time.
Yes, you got it, sir. Happy to help the assistants. I'm glad to help. Happy to be of help.
Doug, remind me to ask Dr. Price to take a look at your brainwaves later. There is such a thing as too much of a restraining bolt.
Yes, sir.
You broke Heath. You broke Heath.
Oh, hi, Captain.
Go away, Eiffel. Go away fast.
Anything I can get for you?
Leave me alone.
How about a secret? Wanna know a
Listen here, you little shit.
Want what?
I'm not brainwashed anymore.
Say that one more time.
Cupcakes. It's me. I'm back, baby. I'm not brainwashed anymore.
Oh, what the hell was that for?
Tell
Same.
Cutter at least he's getting more creative, but no sell.
It's not a trick. It's me. I don't know how, but I'm me again.
Uh-huh. And why are you here?
But because what the hell else am I supposed to do? You're the only other person who's not currently under new evil management.
Get out.
What?
Leave.
Oh, come on! I know how it sounds, but it's not a trick. I really did get myself unstepforded. Meanwhile, Team Spectre's out there building something, and I have a feeling that the longer Minkowski and Jacoby are under the Imperious Curse, the harder it's gonna be to de-zombify them. So I
Yeah,
need you to
same.
just shut up and trust me, okay?
Holy crap, it's really you.
But
Of course it's... You believe me?
Yeah.
yeah.
No one but you could ever say something that dumb, Eiffel. So, what happened? How do you break free of Price's control?
I have no clue.
Magic
It was
powers.
like everything went out of focus for a sec, and then I was back. And with a splitting headache. So, you tell me.
Wait. Headache.
What about it?
Oh,
God.
sorry, just grabbing things.
Probably still some trace amount of my blood.
Yeah. Science, yeah.
And Price said their neurological devices don't work on me.
Yeah. Science. Yeah, science reasons. Science explanations. Yeah. There's reasons for it. Don't
I was
worry.
able to snap out of it because there's a tiny amount of alien in me.
You got any better ideas?
Ray.
Hey, my name's Doug Eiffel. I'm half alien.
Kira? Good to hear your voice, Hira.
Yours too, Captain.
Are you okay?
Nah.
No.
Nah.
I can't stay long, or someone's gonna notice what I'm doing. These restraints are...
Yeah.
But anyway, catch us.
We think my blood is able to counteract Price's neural controls. Which I suppose that means it might be able to help the others.
Won't that take like a nice long 2-week while? We got that kind of time?
Maybe it won't.
I'll just throw the blood around, splash it on them like holy water.
Fresh dose will get it done sooner. Well, you put it like that. Ira, anything you can do to help?
Not really. Most of my systems are locked down.
Oh, good.
Oh, and consider Dr. Price can access my databanks and log into all my methods for information.
What does that mean?
It means that you both need to assume everything I can see in here, Dr. Price might be able to see in here too.
Anywhere that isn't the case. Hilbert's old lab?
No.
Yeah, you get one Hilbert mention per episode.
Storage locker near the comms room. That's pretty fuzzy. And, maintenance well on the aft deck.
That'll do it. Thanks, Hera.
Also, stay off the comms. Assume someone is listening at all times.
How are we supposed to do this if we can't talk to each other?
Me, I'm
Some
listening.
old school, not connected to any comms, Doug Eiffel original brand walkie-talkies. Swung by the bedroom on my way back.
Wolf 359, but I make all the noises.
Blood.
Which, easier said than done.
I actually think that's the least of our worries. Hilbert had a ton of syringes back in the lab.
Ah, shit. 2 Hilbert
I
mentions.
can definitely pick some of those up. What about you?
I'm staying right here. At least for now. If anyone realizes something's up before we have
Sounds
numbers,
smart.
this adventure's over before it starts.
Captain, I'm not just gonna leave you here.
She's
You're
fine.
not. You're gonna leave me your key card so I can let myself out when we're ready, or if things get really bad.
Oh, that's really smart, actually.
Don't sound so surprised, Officer Eiffel. So, who's first?
Oh,
In
fuck,
costume?
somebody's coming. Give me like 2 seconds. Hey, what's up?
Hello.
Hello.
This is quite early for you on your day off.
I know, I woke up, I couldn't get back to sleep. I'm tired.
Ah.
Yeah.
What you doing?
Recording.
Recording what?
I'm listening to the podcast and just kind of doing a reaction to it for my dear friends. My dear friends on the internet.
Oh, right, okay, so podcast about what? What's
It's the one that I listen to, you know, the space one?
Oh, yeah.
The space one. They're all in space.
Play it back then, let's have a listen.
To what I've recorded?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to hear it.
Oh.
It's like 20 minutes long.
Oh, is
and
it?
it's just me rolling around on the floor.
Okay.
Sorry about that. My stepmom just came downstairs. I have vacated the room. I've gone up to my bedroom. Sat on the floor as usual. Yeah, what the hell was I doing? What are we doing again? Listening to a podcast? Okay. Let's take a look. Oh, jeez. It's gone off now. Fun episode, huh? Fun episode, huh? Anyway.
Ryan has her booked for a 4-hour construction shift.
Well, I guess that means Jacoby's up first. Where's he gonna be?
Oh, you know, around. Having a good time. We're having a good time.
Jacoby?
Oh, oh, don't do that to me, no. Listen to his voice. Oh, Jesus.
To help.
Yeah, you are.
Come in. Thank you, sir. I've been looking forward to.
I'm here to help.
Sir, is there a reason that Jacoby? Is there a reason
that you're having notes taken? Well, nothing makes it an official review quite like an official record.
Ah.
Figured you'd appreciate the friendly
Oh,
face.
the
Now,
steel?
come on, walk this way.
The
If you could join us at the examination table.
Oh, please.
Mr. Cutter, sir, with all due respect,
Please come closer, Colonel Kepler.
if it's quite all right with you, Doctor,
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't express myself properly just then. Let's try it one more time.
Come closer.
Come closer, Colonel.
Closer.
My apologies, Doctor. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your patience, Warren. I'm sure it's been stressful for you to have waited this long to be debriefed.
Well,
So
I'm
let's
just...
just talk about what happened. Because we sent you up with very high expectations. You were fully briefed. You handpicked your team.
Sir.
You were doing great.
You brought your husband with you.
Then something changed. Because I didn't hear about the Class 13 event at this star from you. I had to learn about it from the crew of a relay station. And then Miranda had to carve out their brains with an ice cream scooper.
For the last time, it's called a...
Point being,
Yeah, me too.
you've now cost me time, resources, and top-of-the-line personnel. For
Yeah.
the second time this mission. How old was Dr. Maxwell?
Oh, fuck, I thought he was gonna talk about Hill. Yeah. Jesus. How old was Dr. Hilbert? Like 98 or something.
Jacoby.
She was 28.
Both a promising technician and
Yeah.
dietitian.
Same.
Glowing personnel reports.
Yeah.
And you recruited her yourself,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. I did.
So what killed her, Warren?
A bullet.
Is that your final answer?
She misjudged a crisis. Her priorities were not quite what they should have been. That was my fault. I should have been clearer and exercised more control.
He's got a cool voice. I like his
Well.
voice.
To err is human.
I'm glad you picked up on those mistakes, Warren.
Oh, man.
They were rather egregious. However, you got us closer to our final objectives. And you did it faster, I think, than anyone else at the company would have. If nothing else, you didn't lack for vision.
This is looking at the big
Permission to
picture.
speak, sir?
No. Give me your arm, Colonel.
What?
Do what she says, Warren.
La la la.
Yes, sir.
La 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 la.
Your other arm.
Aw. Yell for me.
You've made mistakes, Warren. That's
Uh-huh.
So we're going to square things up.
Hand is the latest generation of biomechanics.
Yeah.
Go ahead, try it out.
It
It responds directly to your central nervous system. You should have exceptional coordination.
And no more writing cramps.
Really?
This is...
It's exactly what you've earned, Warren, for years of loyal and exceptional service. And now, we're even.
Even, sir?
Even Stevens. Blank slate. So now you get to prove to Dr. Price and myself that you belong here. Can you do that, Warren?
Yes.
Sir.
Fantastic. In that case, this is for you.
Sir? What is...
Just some light reading to catch you up on what we're about to do. Busy days ahead, Warren. Busy, busy, busy.
Yeah. Oh, we're not done? Okay.
Hi, Eiffel.
Jacoby! What are you doing here?
I'm putting away Dr. Price's equipment. Did I startle you?
I love him so much.
Everything's fine.
What have you got there?
He's not my favorite, but I love him. He's just, yeah.
Samples? For Dr. Price?
You should probably get those to her right away.
Uh-huh.
See you later.
See you later.
Yeah, come here for a minute.
Yeah.
What's going on, Eiffel?
You've got something stuck in your shirt. Let me grab it for you.
Wow. Thanks, Eiffel.
Wow.
That's so nice of you.
Wow.
You got it, pal.
Ow!
Ow.
Sorry, but I got it. You're good to go.
Oh, thanks, Eiffel. You're the best.
No
I
problem.
thought they did the pain receptors.
Mm-hmm.
I'll be in maintenance room 12.
I thought they did the pain receptors.
Okay?
Okay, Eiffel.
Just remember, maintenance room 12, 1500. That's where I'll be.
Sure thing, Eiffel.
Sure
See
thing.
you later.
I really hope so.
Jesus. The episode's still going.
Loveless, do you read me?
I'm here, Eiffel. How are you doing?
No sign of Jacoby yet. We're 40 past.
Well, either this blood thing doesn't work or it's gonna take some time. You need to move.
I know I need to... Sorry.
I know I need to blah.
I'll just give it another 10 minutes, okay?
Eiffel,
I fall.
don't get caught.
Just 10 more minutes, Captain. I'll check in when I can.
I'll check in when I can.
This can work.
Oh, yeah, sure.
This can work.
Oh, yeah, sure.
This can work.
Uh-huh.
Please, God, let this work. Jesus Christ, finally! What the hell took you so long to...
Well. Officer Eiffel. What are we going to do with you?
It's alright, the husband team is back. And they're gonna, I don't know, fuck with you. Oh, damn, my microphone.
This has been Wolf 359 by Kinda Evil Genius Productions.
Sweet.
Tonight's episode was written by Sarah Shackett and
Thanks, my
directed
dude.
by Gabrielle Urbina.
Thanks, my dude.
The role of Eiffel was played by Zach Valenti.
Good job.
The role of Minkowski was played by Emma Sherjarko.
Good job.
The roles of Hira and Price were played by Michaela Sui.
Good job.
The role of Cutter was played by Scotty Shoemaker.
Good job.
The role of Loveless was played by Cecilia Lynn Jacobs.
Good job.
The role of Kepler was played by Zach Labresco.
Good job.
The role of Jacoby was played by Noah Mazer.
Good job.
The role of Rachel was played by Ariella Rotenberg.
Good job.
And the role of Ryman was played by Julian Silver.
Good job.
Original music by Alan Rohde, and audio recording by Jared Paul.
Thanks, you too.
Tonight's space transmission was Gnossian 1 by Eric Satie.
Oh, yeah, good pronunciation.
Want to help us keep up with Mr. Cutter's timetable? Do so by supporting us on Patreon.
Yeah.
At patreon.com/wolf359radio.
Why do I donate to that?
Thank you to Rena Sarame, Roosh Farm D, Sarah Shramik, Andrew and Abby Guthie, Egypt Spivey, Meg Bevilacqua, Amy Tang Wei, and all our patrons for your
You're all
support
bad people.
and helping us avoid being put under new evil management.
Uh-huh.
Visit our website at wolf359.fm for full episodes and extras, and follow us on Tumblr and Twitter at wolf359radio for news and more.
Cool. Cool. Yeah. It's me, Hilbert. I'm back from the dead.
We're in the middle of the Radiotopia citizen drama.
God,
And 99%
go,
of people needs your
go away, Roman Mars. Oh, jeez Louise. Yeah, fun episode. Okay. Oh, shit, my microphone. Yeah. Yeah, exactly what I need to wake up on the morning. Just some, you know. I'm happy with where it went. I was slightly worried about what was going to go on with Loveless. I thought we were just going to get like honestly, I thought we were just going to get like a torture scene, which would have been kind of just long for me. But we didn't. It was very good. Yeah. I'm here to help. Yeah, it was fun. I can't, you know, don't listen to my opinions though, because I've only just listened to it, and I'll probably think about it later and think, where am I? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna, I don't know. I got my cat by my side. I'm ready to start the day, I guess. You know, if I'm not at work before midday, I'm just technically dead, and it's still 11 o'clock, so this is probably just gonna sound really bad later on when I listen to it. But never mind, I'm gonna go listen to the episode again or something, and maybe try not to, you know, fall on the floor and die halfway through? Yeah, that'd be great. Anyway, have a nice day. Goodbye.